Okay, so in this video we will learn that how we can so we are learning how to write effective prompt, right? So here the tips number 3. Okay, so tips number 3 is use structured instruction. So whenever you are asking something to ChatGPT or any other AI tool, that time you need to use the structure instruction you need to provide. Okay, so how? Suppose, yeah, I think I told earlier that use the keyword is a very strong powerful keywords, that is step by step. What step by step, it is a very powerful keywords. Okay, so here we will see, use the structured instruction. Suppose you are asking ChatGPT or any other AI tool that describe the process of photosynthesis. Your subject might be anything. So here, for example purpose, I have taken photosynthesis. Okay, suppose you are asking ChatGPT describe the process of photosynthesis, but it is not a it is a generic question. It's a common question. It's a generic question. So you, if you provide this prompt and ask ChatGPT, so ChatGPT will provide a generic answer. It's a it will summarize something. For information purpose it is okay, but if you want to get the exact output or better output, so in that case that prompt will not work. Okay, so suppose your objective, your goal is something different means you want to know more details about it, more specific about it. So what in that case, how you will write your prompt? So it should be outline the step by step process of photosynthesis. So you are telling ChatGPT or any other artificial tools that outline it. First of all, outline it and step by step, so that I can understand it better. Step 1, step 2, step 3, like that way. So if you explain like that way, I will be able to understand. So uh, outline the step by step process of photosynthesis, including the role of color fill and sunlight. So you are detailed information you are providing. So in that case your response will be more accurate, more perfect. Okay, so let's see how it works. I will go to ChatGPT. So here it is, describe the process of photosynthesis. So I am asking ChatGPT, so it will provide a generic answer, I think. But generic answer means it is a detailed answer. For information purpose it is correct, but if you want to get more accurate, more perfect answer, so in that case you need to clarify more details. So see, here it is saying that photosynthesis is the process by which green plant and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy stored in glucose, a sugar molecule. This process occurs primarily in the color plates of plant cells. Here is a step-by-step overview of photosynthesis, though it is providing a step-by-step about photosynthesis. Okay, so here the answer is like this: light absorption, light dependent reaction, then Calvin cycle, overall chemical equation. So all the details information here it is providing, and key points it has given. Okay, so now if I ask this advanced thing, outline it step by step. Now I am telling outline it step by step. Okay, more specific answer you will get, more standard answer you will get if you modify your prompt. So here it is saying, suddenly here is the detailed step-by-step outline of photosynthesis process, highlighting the role of color fill and sunlight. Okay, so the first step 1, what happens? Light absorption, color fill and pigments, then sunlights. Step 2, so see here the step and all those things it was not mentioned, but here it is step by step, it is mentioned. Step 1, step 2, under step 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So if you read this, you will clearly understand, so step by step how it's happening and all those things. Okay. Then 3, um, 3, it is light independent reaction. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, like this way. So this is this photosynthesis I have taken for example. In your case it might be different, your subject might be different, your market might be different, so you will use, but you use this format, definitely you will use this format. Just replace your content, outline the step by step process, so it will be same. Photosynthesis, instead of photosynthesis, it might be gravity, it might be any other chemical or technical thing might be you can mention and provide the others information related to other information, so that you can get the better output. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear to you. One more, yeah, we will check one more example. See, suppose example number 1 I have covered. Example number 2, suppose example number 2 is teach me a code. So you are just straightforwarding, you are telling the teach me a code, but which code you want to know. It's a Python code, it's a HTML code, it's a JavaScript code. So which code you want? You did not mention any detailed information, so you will get a general answer, a generic answer you will get. But if you mention it, I need a Python code, I need a Java code, I need a SQL query, like this, so it will provide the exact response. And on which topic, what do you want to do using that, what do you want to do, what kind of code you want, platform, and what do you want to do by that code, so that kind of thing. So see, then the second advanced prompt, it should be provide a step by step tutorial on how to write a hello world program in Python. So I want to write hello world, where I want to write in Python, so provide me a code. So might be different, instead of hello world you can write anything, and you can write I want to know artificial intelligence, the details of artificial intelligence, and in the platform might be different, may not be Python, it might be HTML code, but you need to mention, you can replace your content, but the format has to be same. Format what will be, provide a step by step tutorial, step by step guide, step by step information, step by step series, so that I can write word in this platform. Okay, so that will be more specific, you will get more generic answer. So I will show you in practical also. And the another example is explain the data analysis. So data analysis means what kind of information you want to know, you are only saying that explain data analysis, so it will provide a generic answer, what is data analytics, how it works, and all those things. But if you want to get the accurate answer, if you want to get some professional answer or standard answer, in that case you need to specify it more details, specify more details. So how, describe the steps involved in conducting a data analysis project from data collection to data reporting findings. So now you are providing a detailed information that describe the steps. So what are the steps, might be 5 steps, might be 10 steps, you can mention it, that provide 10 steps or provide 5 steps involved in conducting a data analysis project from data collection, from this platform to that platform you want to go, from data collection to reporting findings. I want a step by step series, I want steps, how I want to go from this place to that place, so explain me. So it will explain you step by step. So let me go to the one example, I will show you practically. So teach me a code, I am writing to ChatGPT that teach me a code. It will be confused that which code I am asking, it's a Python code, it's a Java code, or what code I want. So it's, see, Of course, learning code can be fun and rewarding experience. Let's start with some basic in Python and versatile and beginning friendly programming language. So getting started with Python. So suppose install Python. How you can install Python? All these things are given. Write your first Python program. Step 2 it is given. So as I have mentioned here now, step by step guide. So that's why it's taking step by step. Otherwise, let me go to new chat. Let me go to new chat, because once I have provided the instruction, so that's why it's taking that reference. Teach me a code. See, the previously I entered a lots of conditions, so that's why it's coming as a different day. See, learning a code is a great skill to develop. Let's start with some basic. Here is step by step guide to get you started. Choose a program language. Which program language you want? It's a Python, it's a Java, what kind of language you want. So after selecting, set up your environment, online editors, all these things are there. Learn basic syntax. So here it is Python, here it is Python. Basic operation, here is Python, conditional statement, so loops, Python, while loop, all these things, functions, all these things are there. Practice, it's mentioned, resource and learnings, code academy, these things are given. Okay, so you have teach me a code. So it could come any kind of code. By default it has come Python. It might come JavaScript, HTML, CSS, so that kind of code may come. So now I will provide detail example, detail information, so it will provide a more specific answer to me. I have said that give me a step by step. First what I should do, then second what I should do, then see, step 1 what I should do, it has given. Option 1, option 2, I can follow either or. Step 2 what I need to do, write a code. Step 3 run the code. Okay, step 3 it is given. Option 1, option 2, I can do anything. Then it's given explanation, and every steps it has explained every step. Suppose step 3 explain, I think step 1 it is explained. No, step 1 it is not, it was not explained. Step 2 not explained, 3 not explained, but here the explanation has given. The print hello world might be the for your case the text might be different, so this is it. The line code used, print function, and description, what is the meaning of print and all these things. And in the place of hello world, suppose whenever you are trying to create a new website, now that time by default this what comes, hello world. Okay, so by default it has come. So this is it. So step by step, suppose you want to learn Python, if you want to learn something on Python, so ChatGPT is providing you the step by step guide. First what you have to do, second what you have to do, third what you have to do. So I think you have got the pretty clear idea that how to use this thing. So you need to provide a structured instruction, that which which format you want. You want a Python code, you want a Java code, you want a SQL query, you want a HTML code, what you want. So you need to provide that structure. You want, suppose in CSV format something, you want it some Excel format something, so you need to mention that structured instruction. Okay, so that's it for this video. So next video we will see how the tips number 4 we will see. Okay, thanks.